What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry there hasn't been a ton of stuff as I've been putting online lately. I've been doing Vlogmas. And I realized kind of halfway through that maybe I need to do it in the style of like holiday vlogs, like to just push myself to make more but not kill myself in the process. It wasn't hard, but I was finding that you know, there's some days where I don't do stuff. There's some days where I go visit family, and I know that's not what everyone's here for. So I figured this has been like, this month I haven't made more videos before. So I think that's a pretty good feat in itself. We are doing car stuff today. I've been waiting for this. If you guys were in my live stream on Friday, there was a few of you that already know, but a couple weeks ago I got the Rallybacker fender flares, and I went and dropped them off at Paint, and they're finally done, and they're right off frame. So let's go take a look at them right now. So here they are. These are the finished painted fender flares. These are the Rallybacker flares for the NC Miata, and they look so good. They killed it on the paint. It's really nice. It's really reflective and smooth. They did a wet sand buff, and I think it was a couple different stage paints, if I recall them saying correctly, but they absolutely killed it on these. They look so good. It just looks really nice. I was like, honestly, totally surprised to see it in person, and I was so excited when I was live streaming Friday. Don't forget, I live stream on Fridays, that these were sent to me in a message that they were done. And I was like, wow, that's okay, perfect. Picked them up Saturday, the day after, and now they're gonna go on the car. So we are gonna put these on the car, but not in this video. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick prep of the fender flares because it's like a couple days before Christmas and I have no time. So I think that video is probably gonna come later this week, probably like Wednesday or something. If I can fit in time to work on them, I will. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna drill out the holes for the fender flares to fit the rivets, and they'll be all prepped to go. I'll put them on so you guys can see, like, we'll mock them up so you guys can see like the color match and everything. And yeah, so stay tuned. This will be a quick one, and get excited. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some blue tape and just put it around each of the holes. That way we don't scratch up the paint or do anything crazy. Alright, so now that all the holes are taped, what we can do is come down here and grab some rivets, which I think are mostly the same size. These are probably the deeper ones. I think these are the spares I got with the hood vents. So you probably want to do like these little bit thicker ones. These are too small. So probably these guys. So as you can see, 3/16 size drill bit fits in with the 3/16 size rivet. So these will be good, and these are the ones that we're going to use. Alright, so I am going to drill a pilot hole first with a smaller drill bit. Just to double check that that is the right size. Perfect. So you can see the rivet will fit right in there just fine, and we'll be good to go for the rest of these. So I'm going to drill these up, and then you guys can see the end product. Alright, so all the holes are drilled all the way around. The only one that came out kind of bad is this one. It shows a little bit of the primer underneath, but nothing a little tiny paintbrush of touch-up paint can't fix. So, but everything else came out fine. I tested all the rivets. They cover up any of the little fraying where the fiberglass was, so we won't have to worry about any of that. So, go ahead and grab, let's see, we'll grab this one. And so, here it is. matched to the paint. it's pretty good. I mean, it's really hard to tell if it's even any different. It might be a little bit lighter. It looks a little bit brighter on camera, but in person right now, it's pretty tough to tell. Like over there, they match really well, just up until about right here. A little bit lighter, but not a big deal. So yeah, it'll cover that. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to finally have these. They came out so nice. Just kind of propping them up. They'll be like that. So it's gonna look really good, I think. Can't wait to get these on. Crazy wheel fitment until I get new wheels or whatever, but that's gonna be it right there. So I'm gonna set these off to the side for now. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is just sometime this week put them on, drill some more holes. It should be pretty easy. I am probably gonna have to cut my fenders, which, you know, not a big deal. I've already cut the hood. It's not like I haven't cut this car up already. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I hope you're excited to see the flares are done and they're ready to go on the car. I'm excited. Thanks again for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this, and leave a comment and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.